All right, so if I'm coming in your store and I'm looking at safes, you guys have 150 maybe safes on the floor. What are the price ranges of those safes? How does that kind of work? Like, where do they start and go up to?
Okay, so let's say they're looking for a gun safe.
Okay.
Okay, the entry price of a small gun safe, tall gun safe for long rifles, is $550.
Okay.
That's a pickup price. We start our financing at $1,000. So
Okay, so if I buy a safe of at least $1,000, y'all offer
can
some
finance,
financing.
right.
Okay, all right.
So that's 12 months, no interest, with nothing down. And we do everything right at my desk. We
Cool.
can set a customer down and take care of everything right
I'm assuming
there.
I have to qualify for that, right? That's
It's
you
with
have some
approved
kind,
credit. Thank you
some
so
kind of decent
much.
credit or something. Yeah, I can't. It's not for
yeah.
anybody. Yeah, with 0%.
Well,
I
it's
would
not,
assume.
but it is approved credit.
Okay.
Thank you for asking.
Sure.
Because absolutely, you have to be have a certain credit score in order to finance for 12 months.
Is that the only parameter? There's probably some other parameters. Is that the? I mean, is it just, or is that the main parameter? Do you know?
No, that's it.
Oh,
With
okay.
approved
Do you
credit.
know what that? Yeah. Do you know what that credit score is that someone has to have? Any idea?
No, I don't.
Okay.
No,
All right.
I think it.
You
no,
run
I
it- you run it
shouldn't.
yeah,
I'd
you-
rather not say.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, I mean, I've been told certain things.
And it
but
may change. It may even change. It
Oh,
could.
yeah,
It could
so,
fluctuate or
yeah,
whatever. So
right.
I didn't know.
That's true.
And so gun safes start at $550. Now, but you have safes below that, right? Like the document safes and the hide.
sure.
So I mean, like, what's a
A
really inexpensive like document safe or a pistol safe? So I mean, the price ranges of those
Sure.
could be what?
Oh, well,
Less than $550, I guess.
you could pick up a pistol vault for $49.
Oh,
you know?
really? Okay.
Yeah.
So a really basic model.
A basic
pistol-
model
pistol-
with the key.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
And then if I want the best gun safe you have, this big thing that holds, I don't know, what's
The
the
largest. Yeah.
Wait, what do you have in the store? What does that cost?
About $8,000.
Wow,
What I
okay,
have
cool.
in the store right now, but that varies.
Okay.
And that does vary. The
Okay.
largest safe that I stock is 61 inches wide. The overall depth is 30 inches. It's made by Fort Knox.
Okay.
It weighs about 1,900 pounds. That's the largest thing we can deliver. It'll hold up to 100 guns if you put them in there.
Yeah, if you
Yeah, if you know how to put them in there.
Tetris
Right.
them in there.
Yeah, exactly.
I got you. Cool.
So that safe sells for around $8,000.
Awesome. Okay. Well, cool.